bit more deeper mode. Bow down and pray that I don't take your soul.
So, you want to be a VTuber? That's awesome. But let me tell you, there are some big mistakes that can slow down your growth or even make you burn out before you really get started. And trust me, I've seen it happen a lot. But don't worry, I'm here to help you avoid those rookie pitfalls. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 mistakes VTubers make when they are new, and how you can dodge them like a pro. Whether you're just starting out or already on your journey, these tips could save you a ton of frustration. So grab your demon horns, cat ears, or whatever your vibe is, and let's get into it. Mistake number 1 is overcomplicating your model. I get it, you want your VTuber model to be perfect. Maybe you're dreaming of physics so detailed your hair flows like water, or you're after a fully rigged model straight off of the bat. And hey, that's great, but it's also a trap. A lot of new VTubers get stuck in perfection mode. They spend months tweaking their model, obsessing over tiny details, or saving up for an ultra high quality rig before they even start. But here's the truth. Your content matters way more than your model. The fix will be start simple. Many successful VTubers begin as PNG tubers, or they used a basic model before upgrading. Your personality and content will always be the biggest draw for your audience, not just how fancy your model is. Plus, let's be real, if you can't make engaging content with a simple model, an expensive one won't magically fix that. So if you're on a budget, grab a free or affordable model, or even start with a PNG setup using something like Discord Reactive. Focus on improving your content first and upgrade when you're ready. Mistake 2 is ignoring audio quality. Okay, real talk. What's worse, a VTuber with an average looking model but crystal clear audio? Or a stunning high quality model with a mic that sounds like it's broadcasting from the bottom of a Pringles can? A lot of new VTubers pour money into their model but completely ignore audio quality. And here's the harsh reality. Bad audio will drive people away faster than bad visuals. If your mic is full of static, echoes, or background noise, viewers won't stick around. Instead, invest in a decent mic first. You don't need to go full professional studio mode, but even a budget USB mic like the Fifine K669 or Audio-Technica AT2020 can make a huge difference. Also, learn some basic audio settings. Use filters in OBS or a software like Krisp to remove background noise. Now, before you go live, record a test clip. Listen to your own voice. If it sounds bad, tweak your mic settings, adjust gain levels, and maybe throw in a noise gate. A little effort here goes a long way. Now, the third mistake is having no content plan. Let me guess. You hit go live and thought, alright, people will just show up and chat, right? Yeah, no, it rarely works that way, especially when you're starting out. New VTubers will assume viewers will just magically appear and interact. But in reality, when you're small, chat can be dead quiet. And if you're not prepared, that's a recipe for awkward silence. And trust me, silence is the enemy of engagement. Always have a plan before going live. Think about what you'll do if chat is quiet. Are you playing a game? Have some discussion topics ready. Doing just chatting? Prepare fun questions or mini challenges. Keep the energy flowing, so even if chat is empty, you're still entertaining. Imagine your stream is a YouTube video. How would you keep someone watching if they clicked in randomly? Keep talking, keep reacting, and most importantly, don't rely on chat to drive the content. The fourth mistake would be neglecting engagement. Streaming isn't just about playing games. It's about entertaining people. If someone joins your stream and you're silently gaming like a statue, guess what? They're leaving. Many new VTubers forget that engagement is everything. People don't just watch VTubers for gameplay. They watch for personality, interaction, fun moments. If your stream feels like they're watching someone play in silence, they won't stick around. Instead, treat your stream like a conversation, react to the game, comment on what's happening, and always acknowledge chat messages. Even if chat is slow, talk as if you're speaking to an audience. Because you are. Some might be lurking, and a fun reaction might make them want to engage. Use viewer names when responding to chat. It makes people feel seen and builds a connection. And don't be afraid to throw in a question like, what's your favourite game, movie, or food? To spark a conversation. And the fifth and final mistake is giving up too soon. Here's the harsh truth. VTubing isn't an overnight success story. And if you expect to blow up in a month, you're setting yourself up for disappointment. A lot of new VTubers quit after the first few weeks or months because they're not seeing instant growth. But here's the thing, every successful creator started with low views. The difference? They kept going. Be consistent, improve little by little, learn from every stream. The more you put in, the better you get. And most importantly, don't let numbers define your worth. Your growth will come with time, effort, and persistence. Celebrate small milestones. You hit 10 viewers, amazing. Someone made you fan art, that is legendary. Every step forward matters, so don't let impatience kill your progress. Alright, be honest. Are you guilty of any of these mistakes? No judgment. We've all been there. Drop a comment and let me know which one hit home for you. And hey, if this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss future VTuber tips. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.
I hit more deep, more.